Mr. Secretary General, I'm here today to fight for humanity. I'm here today to fight for justice of the Palestinian people. I'm here today to call for an end to the violence and for immediate ceasefire to save the life of innocent people, including women and children. The safety and well-being of mankind is always our number one priority. I'm sure that each one of us are touched when confronted with imagine of a 2-month-old baby injured and pulled away from the rubber as her family lay dead. The only question we should ask ourselves is, how much longer shall we let these attacks continue? All of us know that this conflict is asymmetric by nature between Israel, the oppressor, the occupying power, and the Palestinian, the occupying, who are continuously being oppressed. Occupation is the core issue. The international community owes the Palestinian people a long overdue independent state of is also a grave violation of international law that demand our action. Thus, I call the UN General Assembly to take three actions. First, stop the violence and the military action to prevent further casualty. At the same time, the General Assembly should demand for an immediate, durable, and fully respective ceasefire. All avenues must be exhausted to de-escalate the situation urgently, as we also support continued and relentless effort by the Secretary General. Furthermore, we must be able to prevent future recurrence of the atrocity. In this regard, the General Assembly should call for the establishment of an international presence in all courts to monitor and to ensure the safety of the Palestinian people in the occupied territory, and to protect the statue of Al-Haram, al-Shari compound, the holy place for a three religions. Second, to ensure humanitarian access and to protect of civilization. Our ultimate responsibility is to save life. And every minute we spend here deliberating could mean another Palestinian life lost. I call the General Assembly, together with relevant UN agencies and other actors, to step up, effort in providing humanitarian assistance and the effective to Palestinian people. It must urge Israel to open and allow access to the delivery of humanitarian aid, include the Gaza, which one been under siege for more than 13 years. Third, pursue a credible multilateral negotiation. Credible negotiation is very important to advise a just and comprehensive peace based on the two-state solution in line with internationally agreed parameters. The General Assembly has a moral and political responsibility to ensure that peace negotiations take place. We must put a stop to the systematic effort of the occupying power that may leave nothing left to be negotiated. We must not allow the Palestinians to have no other choice but to accept injustice for the rest of their life. Therefore, we have to stop this injustice now. We have to continue our support to Palestinians to get their independence and justice. Mr. President, in recent days, during a COVID-19 pandemic, we witnessed the erosion of trust in multilateral institutions. Today, we hold this meeting with one main purpose: to ensure the justice prevail for the Palestinians. This meeting will be seen as a litmus test of multilateralism. We must remain committed and stand united in our effort against all illegal acts of Israel toward ending the occupation in Palestine. We have to act now together UN has to act now, and I'm thank you.